Good morning. ToldToBeTheBroke.com. It's about 6:30 in the morning on Monday, San Bernardino, California. Had to get up early because I got to take all my blankets to the wash house. And then tomorrow I got to get ready for the housekeeper to come. So tomorrow is housekeeper day. Who has a housekeeper coming over? Subscribe. Who would like to have money to get a housekeeper at least once or twice a month so you can give your girlfriend or your wife a break? I know you say there's other activities you can have your kids do other than clean the house. How about who would want to have a landscaper? Subscribe, man. That's what I finally can do now. I paid off my student loan, so I freed up an extra $600 to $700. How many of you guys are studying for an engineering exam and need a little extra money for tests? That was me. I was spending extra money. So subscribe. So I just want to let you know. Let me know. What would you do if you had an extra $500, $600, $700, man? Let me know. Fix your teeth. Buy some clothes, buy your girlfriend some heels, buy yourself or girlfriend a purse, buy yourself a wallet, take the dog to the groomer, subscribe. That's what you can do when you have extra money and you pay down your debt. You don't want to pay everything with debt because the problem with debt is debt comes with interest, and interest is the cost of borrowing money. So if you're going to carry a balance for these luxuries, be prepared for the interest that you have to pay. And I'm going to give you guys calculations. So go take a look at that. Subscribe.